Welcome to a video from GistLifestyle.com. In this video we're going to look at build 25236 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. This is a really small update, so a quick video today. Running this on my virtual machine at the moment, and there's not much to show you in this build, but I will talk through some of the fixes as well. Microsoft are changing the way that the way they do tooltips on search. Now, if I hover over here, you can see the search. That's the traditional one. That's the one that's been there since Windows 11 launched, and they are going to start experimenting with different tooltips on that. So we haven't seen those yet. They're starting to roll them out, but that was actually the only main change that was mentioned in this in the blog post that goes on with it. There are some fixes in there which I'll talk about as well. There are some other things that are included, like the full screen widgets, which you can see, which I got a few weeks ago, so you can choose whether you want them full screen or not. Yeah, I don't really use that widgets that much, but it's good to see those. And then there's the other things are still in there, like the taskbar setting and the tablet mode and other things, which, in fact, tablet mode I showed last week. So the fixes in this build, they fix some issues with narrator voices, Microsoft David and Mark not speaking. That's not that they've fallen out, it's just that there was a technical issue with those voices not working. That's fixed now. The taskbar and system tray, there's some fixes for that, around especially around Explorer EXE reliability, and some memory leaks fixed as well. They fixed some issues with File Explorer. An issue would make File Explorer crash when you're opening multiple tabs, and they fixed an issue that you see I've got multiple tabs in File Explorer, and that's obviously coming to the release version of Windows 11 now as well. They fixed some issues with the battery notification page if you had a UPS connected, and they fixed a couple of bug checks type things as well. There's still some known issues. Audio for some people is not working. This has been in the release notes for a few weeks now. Audio is working fine here on my virtual machine, and it also works fine on Surface Go as well, so I've not had any issues with that. I've not had any app crashes, but Microsoft say they're still investigating that. And if you're using ISO to install the build, you might get a blue screen with or green screen as it is when they crash, aren't they? Win32k full.sys, and they're working on fixing that. So probably if you're going to install from ISO, you might want to wait till they fix that one. And they're looking at some issues with the quick print not working, and system tray and a system tray issue where the chat wasn't working correctly. But those are the main issues with that. One thing you can see I've got working is I've got iCloud integrated into my OneDrive now, and that's because I installed the iCloud app, and that's also integrated with my photos as well, so that's pretty good. So I've got that up and working. I'll probably do a separate video on that. Right, thanks for watching this video. That's all the fixes with and known issues with this build. I'll see you on the next build video.